the profit and loss statement template by TemplateShop.net. Now, we all know that in a business, understanding a business's profit and loss is crucial for making informed decisions and evaluating its financial health. Why so? Because it provides insights into the revenue generation, the cost management, and overall profitability, thus helping identify areas of strength and weaknesses. Armed with this knowledge, stakeholders can strategize, allocate resources wisely, and drive sustainable growth for business. Let's try to understand how is this template going to help you as a user in doing all of these and more. What we see here is a high-level overview as a summary of what this template is all about, a few of the important aspects, and the P&L statement, which is the sheet over here. There are help provided, which gives you things in terms of changing your themes, your fill, color, etc. And so also the currency of your preference. Moving on, we go to just one P&L statement, the profit and loss statement, and see how powerful is this. The profit and loss statement is comprised total income, the expenses, the net income, the net profit, sales revenue, the cost of sales, non-operating income, and the gross profit. Where do these numbers flow in? Well, let's have a detailed look. The sheet, as you see, is broken down into clear segments by income, which provides all the related things related to income, all the way from total sales revenue, the cost of sales, the gross profit, which is the difference between the total cost of the total revenue and the total cost of sales. Additionally, we have other income, which is interest, rental, other income. So all these add up. Next, we have expense, various expense which a company incurs, taxes, various types of taxes, the total share for the distributions. Finally, we have something as a net profit. All of these beautifully depicted by charts, graphs, and tables, which are all color coded. Now let's see how changing a particular information or a particular figure would impact each of these graphs, which are interactive graphs. The total sales revenue, net income, is a part of the total sales revenue. So in January, 25,700, let me make this as say 50,000 and see how the net impact is going to be impacted. Well, we saw that. It also impacts the same number. If you look at the income and the expenses, the same number again, 50,000, is going to also impact the income versus expenses, because as we realize, instead of 25,000, I made it 50,000. So the total income increases. I undo what I've done, it decreases. Furthermore, we also have the total sales cost, which also impact. In May, say for example, I just change the numbers just for a demonstration purposes. So instead of 31,000, I make it 20,000. How these numbers change, and not just that, the total sales cost, total sales revenue, and the total income, I force this to say for example 38,000. We realize that the graphs change again. Not just that, the total expenses also change based on any information which is changed in the table. We really appreciate you watching this video. You can stay up to date on useful templates by subscribing to TemplateShop.net.